Yeah, I'm Liam. I'm just going to talk about my Trebuchet. This is a Trebuchet I made in a physics project a couple years ago. It's a big Trebuchet, took about 4 or 5 days to make, and it's comprised of a few different parts. It's got, most importantly, a big 200-pound concrete counterweight, which provides the momentum for the lever arm, which is the big thing that's sticking up in the air right there. And it's also supported by some buttresses on the side, and it's got a winch, which is right there to bring the counterweight down, and a lever as well. So we'll just set it up and then we'll take it for a fire. So gotta start out by raising up our counterweight here. So do that just by hooking up a carabiner on a chain onto the arm. And here's where the winch comes in. So our winch is just made of a circular saw blade and some plywood. Okay, and we'll just latch it in place like that. So, it's latched in place, and I can remove the carabiner and remove the winch. And I'll just throw on the complicated safety device here, just in case it falls or something. So now I just need to set up the straps. Now the straps are what is holding the projectile, which is in this case a rock. So we've got a pouch here. Just sit the rock in the pouch and just lay it in this track. So the track is what makes it go straight during launch. Now this end of the strap is the end that comes off of the pin at the top of the arc of the arm, and that's what releases the projectile. So here on the end we've got two different pins. This pin here is directed upward. It makes the rock release later, so it's more for low distance throws. This one's for higher kind of long distance throws. So in this case we'll go on the long distance one. I just hook this ring on there. Pull this out. Make sure it's all straight. Okay. So remove our safety device, and looks like we're ready to go. Okay, so here's our lever, and I'll pull the lever and it'll fly. Alright, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. So record for this Trebuchet is about 70 meters for a 600 gram stone. And yeah, flies perfectly straight. And that's it. That's the Siege machine.